to introduce our fantastic guest speaker, Mr. Rick Ramirez.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Hi, my name is Giffen Trotter. I'm the principal here at Hester Junior High in Franklin Park. We had a great assembly today. I think my students really take a lot from Rick's message. My hope is that they take away that message of perseverance and really sticking with things. We all have those tough times, and sticking with it is what really separates the people that are successful from the people that aren't. I would 100% recommend this assembly. Great energy, great activities. The kids had a fantastic time. Couldn't recommend it more.
Hi, I'm Melissa Yano. I'm the Director of Curriculum Instruction here in District 84. We had a really amazing experience with Rick this morning. I really felt like he did such a wonderful job with all of our students. As far as from the experience, what I'm hoping our students take away from it, I'm hoping that our students really take away that idea of that champ mentality and how they can hold themselves accountable and how they can really be motivated and make incredible decisions to move forward because they all have such wonderful potential. I really think that everyone should have Rick come to their school. Our kids really connected with him, and it was great for them to see someone who had wonderful things to say, who looked like them and had experiences similar to them that really